Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to enable fingerprint login on Bright. You want faster and more secure access to your Bright account? Well, enabling fingerprint login is a great way to do both. Here's how to set it up in just a few taps. Open the Bright app and log in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to the Settings tab and tap your profile icon. Now you're going to scroll down to Security Settings and then tap on Fingerprint Login or Biometric Authentication, depending of course on your device. Now, if your phone supports fingerprint recognition, you're going to see an option to enable it, so just go ahead and toggle that on. You may be asked to scan your fingerprint once for confirmation, so just follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. Once enabled, you can now log in with just your fingerprints. No need to type in your password every time. For security, Bright may still ask for your password occasionally or when logging in from a new device. And that's it. Your account is now both secure and easier to access. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Bright setup guides. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.